Sanibonani, molweni. I don't want to be long with this video. I want to try and be very quick and fast because I don't want to dwell too much on, there's a whole lot of things I don't want to reveal about my whereabouts, for example. But I can give you a clue. If you can look behind me, you will see, there are trees behind me. Most of those trees are mango and avocado trees, and somewhere you will see banana trees as well. I'm not sure if you can. Yeah, there's a banana tree ngale kwamaplanka, ne? And then there kune garage laphaya. Uyabona ukuthi umuzi wesangoma lo. Uyabo? Na baya othwasa if bayabonakala. Yeah. So this is just a clue of my whereabouts, somewhere in KZN. I won't tell you exactly where, but somewhere in KZN. And I'm getting inside, guys. In the spirit of respect for umuzi womuntu. I hope it's not too dark. Yeah, this is better. This angle is better. So I want us to talk about the spirits of uMndiki, Amanono. I think it's the ancestral spirits of Umnguni Nomndao is quite, is well covered. You understand? By many people. I think I've covered it myself as well. So I feel a lot of us lack knowledge when it comes to uMndiki Namanono. Let me try explain how I understand the spirits, so that I want us to get to a point where we are well informed, you understand, so that we make well informed decisions about our callings and how we answer them, and how we will be healed, basically. Because many of us, have undertaken, you understand, treatments from various izigodlo without healing, without getting healed. I understand, and we've never understood why. And now my knowledge of uMndiki Namanono has only been, on a theoretical point of view, from reading, you understand. People like Inyanga, like Professor Vivi Mkhize, you understand, they've written about these spirits, you understand. But practically, I've never met Inyanga that, has been able to actually school me, as well as heal me, you understand, in terms of the spirits. Now, let me attempt to disseminate what I know. There is uMndiki, kunomndiki. uMndiki is an illness, the spirit presents itself in the form of an illness in a person. For example, a person, gets physically ill, you understand. Like I've said before, different signs of calling, usually it could be misfortune, other things, plus illness, unexplained illness. Like doctors will do all tests possible, but nothing will reveal why the person is sick. And inyanga, have actually for centuries, they've known ukuthi kukhona umoya okuthiwa indiki. Then a spirit then enters a person because it wants to be healed through that person. You understand? Once it is healed, it leaves the person alone and it goes its way. You understand? Crosses over to where it's supposed to be. You understand? And the person naye aqhubekeke nempilo yakhe. Engazange athwase. Kodwa unyangwe indiki. Meaning there are herbs, you understand? Inkamba, abanye bathi amagobongo that actually heal indiki. Umuntu uyangena umphakamisela inkamba, adla inkamba zendiki. Mesidlozi liyakhuluma. You know, the spirit will communicate ukuthi sengi-right. You understand? And then that's liphothulwe. You understand? Indiki lelo mase liyahamba. Lishiya umuntu ayiqhubekele nempilo yakhe. That person akaqhubekeki athwase. Uyaphuma nje esigodlweni kahle ahambe aqhubeke no life. Then kunomndiki, the spirit of uMndiki, ne? uMndiki, as a result, like emaphehlweni uzothola ukuthi uzothola abagqoka ured, ne? Iphehlwe eziningi ke bagqoka ured bagcoba ibomvu, ne? Labo bantu labo basaphehla igobongo lendiki. Yes, lendiki. Mangabe ephola umuntu wakhona aphothule aphume ahambe. We understand? And then kube khona uMndiki. uMndiki is a spirit much like uMndawu, ne? But uMndiki emanates from your western parts of the continent. Countries like Gabon, Mali, you understand? West Africa, basically. There is a tribe at the top of my head, for example, the Mandigo tribe. Ne? Apparently, uMndiki emanates mostly from that tribe. There are other tribes as well, but at the top of my head, well, look, I'm learning about these things. Yo, the sound, guys, how does it sound? Oh yeah, umyeko. Kuthiwa umyeko lo. Yes. Maybe you've seen it in your dreams. You understand? Lokhu kuyasikozelwa awumane ukugqoke nje. Awumane uzibone ukugqoka umyeko. Yes, I will tell you ukuthi kwenzakalani ukuze ugqoke kanje. Anyway, we're saying uMndiki emanates from such tribes. For example, your dreams would present themselves like, but these spirits in your dreams would present themselves as tall, dark, you know, African people. You know, I like it when we say African people, Tina South Africans, as if Tina were not African. But anyway, Northern African people, Western African people, Eastern African people, usually, you know, present themselves in our dreams. We understand. And in the case of uMndiki, kuba abantu abanjalo, like tall, usually dark, not necessarily always dark, but usually tall and dark. Ne? And some of them are usually like, you know, royals. We understand. Hence, you would see in your dreams animals like the big five. Ne? Your lions, your leopards, the big five, as you know it. We understand. Usually the big five, we understand. Hence, amabhayi lawa, ne? Amabhayi have these animals drawn on them to represent these spirits, ne? The animal spirits ahamba nale mimoya yamandiki. You get me? Because most of them were hunters back in the day. You understand? As you know, Africa was basically largely a hunting ground. You understand? Wild animals were vast. You understand? In Africa. So these spirits can enter us sometimes. You understand? And a person would have to be healed. Naye athole igobongo lani lomndiki. Sometimes we think we have, you know, covered all the spirits You understand? Especially when we do umnguni, nomndao. Only to find there is this spirit that is still bothering you, usually ngamandiki. Usually ngamandiki lawo. Ne? Yeah, I would want you to do your own research, but I think I've given you the basics, and I want you to look at your previous dreams, your own dreams, the dreams that you write down. Look at them, you understand, and try and, how do I put it? Try and match, you understand, your dreams with the different ancestral spirits, the ones I've mentioned in previous videos, umnguni nomndao, and the ones I'm mentioning now, uMndiki. Let's talk about Amanono or uMnono. uMnono is singular, Amanono is plural. uMnono, inono, njengoba ngisho, is a spirit that has entered a person. Ne? It's usually child spirits, children that died before puberty. Ne? And also children that, were terminated, miscarriage, stillbirth, they fall under Amanono. Ne? Very peaceful spirits, joyful spirits, because abantwana kahle kahle, you understand. But when they've entered a person, they they need attention, you understand, and there's a way to attend to them, because if not healed, you understand, that person kuba khona ingxaki, we understand, iba khona ingxaki. They choose who to ukuthi bangena kubani, in the family, you understand. It could be a sibling, it could be, you understand, next of kin, basically. Ne? And that person that they have chosen will need to be healed, so that umnono or inono, you understand, is healed through that person. You understand? Inono libe healed through that person, so that inono nalo likhululeke. You set them free, set the spirit free to, cross over. And then the person continues with their life. Ne? But more often than not, umuntu ke manje osengenwe amanono. Ne? Isikhathi esiningi, they also present features zabantu abane-calling ekufuneka bethwasile, but not everyone onamanono actually has to twasa, you understand. But umuntu onyangayo should be able to differentiate between these spirits, and umuntu angaphumi aphothule, you understand, agoduswe without having been healed these spirits, because how are you going to heal people coming through endumbeni yakho, esigodlweni sakho, you understand, benale ngxaki? As you would know, most of my clients, most of you watching, have approached me with such problems, you understand. How would I be able to heal umuntu, you understand, if I don't understand the spirit of Amanono? If I have not been healed myself, you understand, ngamanono. Kusho ukuthi I deal with a lot of clients, you understand, abaza ngey'nkinga zamanono, because I myself, you understand, have had such a problem. You understand? Hence, I needed to be healed. You understand? It was training ground for me. So, hence, it is my calling to heal other people. Ngendaba yamanono. You understand? And angeke uzuyinyange into nawe ongayinywanga. Hence I usually say to you guys, like umuntu uzomhlolela umtshela ukuthi no, inkinga yakho wena, you had a miscarriage or what terminator, and you understand, and this spirit needs to be taken care of. Athi umuntu, how waze wakude gogo manje ngingaya noma ikubani. You understand? I can't prescribe to, like, in terms of who you go to. But think about it. There are people that will tell you that they heal. Amanono kodwa abazi nokuthi linjani nje igobongo lamanono abakaze balidle abanyangiwe bona so bawathathaphi amandla okuphilisa umoya wamanono angazi noma ngiyazwakala na so all I'm saying is guys ukunyanga is ngizothini we learn from experience and we learn from abadala siyafunda kwabanye kufanele sifunde so that sizokwazi ukunyanga ngokwenene nangokwenyaniso you understand hence I am here guys I never announce when I you know some of my trips are private you understand I have been coming to this place quite often ngoba nginale nkinga engiyilungisa bendiyilungisa you understand I myself was trying to get healed sengiphothulileke guys kusho ukuthi la mawungibona nje ngithwase sengizothini kusho ukuthi ngiwathwaselile amakhosi you understand ngiphothulile ngiqedile it's been a process but ke I was never going to take you step by step phela ngenyanga I don't reveal everything you understand but ezinye izinto like ukuthwasa akupheli ukunyangwa akupheli you understand kunemimoya kufuneka ihlale iphakanyiswe ivele kamuva you understand thola ukuthi the time bonyangwa usewuthwasa ayizange ivele le mimoya you understand or ugobela wakho didn't have the experience and the expertise you understand umoya mase uyabhamuka later on you need to take care of that don't sit uhlale phezulu kwengxaki and be like mina ndiyazi ingxaki yami ndathwasa but andiboni mahluko empilweni yami stand up if awuboni mahluko shukuma hamba phuma landela ithongo lakho lithini ithongo you understand I used to think abantu abazothwasa amakhosi besuka kwaXhosa ngithe uyazithanda izinto uyiqala ngaphi nje imfuna ngaphi into yakwaZulu you understand but kwafumanise kubanza aba inkukhu esisika umlomo because I myself ithongo lidala kudala lisitsho but my question was njani kaloku ndiyothi makhosi ngoku mnandi ngucamagu nje na ithina lento you understand until ikwacaca into yoba ithonga lizucenga mna but think about it we like boxing ourselves sithi mna ndingumXhosa ndingutshawe phelele apho chawe wena chawe uzazelaphi into awunakhokho wokhokho ongumandiko osuke eGabon do you know for sure you don't know what you don't know and when they come in your dreams uzothini you just ignore them good luck guys good luck ngifisela inhlanhla hlalani nibekezela but ke asikho lapho I just wanted to say guys there's so much that we need to know the ancestral spirits are vast and wider than we actually think we need to educate ourselves we need to go out there some of the things that you have to learn you will not find them in your own province in your own town you have to get out of your small town you understand hamba uvakashela inyanga kwezinye izizwe hamba uyofunda ukunyanga asiphumeni guys so that sizoba ilento kufuneka sibe yiyona you understand lento sizibiza yona masizibize yona kuba siyiyo ngokwenene nangokwenyaniso hamba ambofuna i-3 edibeneyo uyayiva khangele mhlawumbe uzayifumana anyway let me end it there thank you guys yeah man I won't make it long but ke ngizothi makhosi izindlondlo ezinkulu bayede makhosi